Hi everyone, happy Christmas Eve everyone. Welcome to sunny Fuerteventura in the Canary Islands on Christmas Eve, the 24th of December 2022. Just finished watching my mate Harry played at Sunset Lounge for us. Really good that was. So thanks Harry for a good gig. Yeah, it's lovely and hot. 25 degrees air temperature, blue sky, sunshine. I've had nice at the beaches, blue water, people swimming in the sea. What more can you ask for Christmas Eve? Can't believe it, Christmas tomorrow, can you? But yeah, happy Christmas everyone for tomorrow. Of course, I will be doing YouTube videos as well tomorrow. Don't know what time, but I'm going to go for a morning swim in the sea. Of course, the sea is nice and warm over here, about 22 degrees sea temperature, lukewarm. So yeah, I'm going to go swim in the sea tomorrow with Harry. Then in the evening, in the afternoon, we have a lunch at like 3 o'clock in the afternoon at Ugo. Look at that. On Christmas Eve.
Nói.
So happy Christmas Eve everyone. What's your plans this evening? I'm off out with my mate Harry and all that tonight at 7. We're going out for dinner. Then we're going out partying. As of course it's Christmas Eve. This is life. So lucky I'm here right now. Really lucky. Sun is so hot, and I mean it's really hot. Look how brown I've got already. I've been sitting in the sun for about 3 hours and I already get brown. So imagine how brown I'll be after 7 weeks here. I might even extend my holiday to March, maybe. Not sure yet, but you're only allowed to stay here for 90 days because of Brexit and that. So it was annoying. Otherwise, if it weren't for Brexit, I would probably stay until spring if it wasn't for Brexit. So yeah, off back home to the hostel, get myself ready for tonight. Go back, charge up the phone, get into my nice smart clothes, ready for tonight. Have a shower and that, freshen up, put my smart clothes on tonight for Christmas Eve, and yeah, go out partying with friends. I've been dreaming about being here for Christmas for years. I've been coming here for 5 years now, guys, and I never thought I would be here on Paradise in the sunny Fuerteventura in the Canary Islands in corralejo. Just want to shout out a few names that I want you guys to go and subscribe to, please. Please, everyone, can you go and subscribe to my mate YouTube channel called Nomad Brothers, please? And also, can you please go and subscribe to my mate YouTube channel called Kersey, please? And also, please, can you go and subscribe to my mate called David Evans, please? I would really appreciate it all if you can go and subscribe to them and help them out, please. Welcome to Fuerteventura on the 24th of December 2022. Currently the time is right now, it's 3:20 in the afternoon and it's 25 degrees air temperature on Christmas Eve. Can't believe that. Christmas Eve. Wow. I'm going to be quiet, I'm not going to talk much on this video, right? Just let you listen to the sound of the waves and that. I love this walk. This is one of my favourite walks here in Corralejo, everyone. Walking from Sunset Lounge to Waikiki Beach. It is the most scenic walk you will get in Corralejo. Walking along here, lovely palm trees, and you're right by the sea. Looking over the Lobos, Lanzarote. Absolute perfect weather today. Few scatters cloud over here, but not much. But we do have a weather front coming in on Tuesday and Wednesday next week. Going to be 40-mile-per-hour winds and 5 to 8 foot waves. So it's going to be pretty stormy next week. Only for a few days, then it will be back to this blue sky sunshine. So, but I'm going out for a swim tomorrow. Then after that, we're going for lunch at 3 o'clock in the afternoon at Uga. So if anyone in there and see me, you're more than welcome to come and say hi. And I want to say thank you to my subscriber for last night, like I saw in Diwali bar, new place. Thank you for buying me a tropical beer. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much, of course. And yeah, what you guys up to for Christmas? That's my plan. What I'm doing, morning, going for a morning swim. Then the afternoon at 3 o'clock, going for lunch. In the evening, I do a vlog of the music square and the main street. Show you what it's like here on Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. So yeah, going back to the hostel now. Like I say, go have a shower, freshen up, get myself ready for tonight. Gonna be good. Lovely villas here with swimming pools and that. This is my favourite spot. The river, you can take a selfie of yourself up there. And so this is my favourite spot to sit here in Corralejo. My favourite spot. You can just sit there all day looking at the sea. What more else can you ask for, hey? I want to just say a big thank you for 845 subscribers. I really appreciate every single one of you that has subscribed to my YouTube channel. It means so much. Let's try and get myself to 1,000 subscribers, please. Oh hello, this is good news. Galera Beach Bar look like they're back. But it's good that they're back. So I'm meeting my mate here at 5. My mate Corky. It's high tide that man. No tide isn't until 6 p.m. That water. This is the beach that me and Harry are going to come to tomorrow. We're going swimming in this water here. We're going to swim here. How clear the water is. You would have thought Christmas Day tomorrow I'll be swimming in the sea. Christmas here as well. The water is so clear. So clear is lovely. Oh, actually, people chilling on the beach, sunbathing on Christmas Eve. Sea temperature 22 degrees at the moment. Look at that, swimming in the sea in December, on the 24th of December 2022. So people wondering what the weather's like here in the winter, well, here you answer. They thought it like on Christmas Eve. You can sunbathe in the daytime, it's around 25 degrees now. Evening it's a low of 16 degrees, so a bit chilly. But yeah, so nice to be back. Never thought I would be back here for Christmas, and I am. But at Christmas Eve and that, by the look of it, Glare, Beach Bar, and this place up here, I put the table and chairs back out again, but it's good. So this place here, they've got all table and that there, so it's good. Just a reminder, Waikiki here got a live webcam. If you type in Fuerteventura live webcam, you might be lucky enough, you might be able to see me walking along in the days. This way I'll be coming out tonight with friends. Waikiki is open till 6 AM. Was there last night with some friends from Flips. It was good. Good atmosphere. The webcam is just up there, and then you've got the amazing view. So yeah, this is what it's like here in Fuerteventura in the Canary Islands on Christmas Eve 2022 at 3:30 in the afternoon in 25 degrees air temperature. Bloody hell, the beach's busy, of course. Definitely going to swim in the sea tomorrow, that's for sure. Can't wait to get in that water. So freaking hot here right now. What I wanted. So if you're not wondering what it's like on Christmas Eve, you can still go swimming. The sea temperature is roughly around 22 degrees. But this is what it's like. So how busy it is. People's chilling, relaxing, sunbathing on Christmas Eve. Christmas Eve here in Fuerteventura. Blue sky, sunshine, 25 degrees air temperature, nice and hot. Nice cool breeze. Oh, that's lovely. Oh, nice. Right, guys, can you believe it? Can you believe it? It's Christmas Eve already. Crazy. Here coming up with the €1 bar. It's really good here. €1 bar just here. Really good. €1. This is where you can get cheap beer for €1. And this is where I'm going to be eating tomorrow for Christmas Day. This is Uga, a really nice restaurant. So Uga here is really good. This is where I'm going to eat lunch tomorrow with Harry. Got Contante here, nice place to eat your breakfast in the morning. My favourite, that is, Oreo. I might have one in a bit. I'm gonna pick up, I'll be drinking tonight, bloody Christmas Eve. Once Christmas and New Year is out of the way, I'm gonna only go out drinking once a week while I'm here, instead of every night. So after Christmas and New Year, I'll be cutting down on my alcohol again. Because since before I came out to Fuerteventura, I was sober for 5 months until I came back here. But of course, I'm on holiday, that's allowed. If people are going to keep moaning that I'm drinking too much, then that's not my problem. It's my choice. I can drink what I want and when I want and do what I want. If people don't like it, it is what it is. I'm not here to not drink. I'm here on holiday. Coming up to the famous corralejo sign in a minute, everyone. The hit town beats. Yeah, famous corralejo sign, everyone. People on their phone. But they hit a famous corralejo sign, everyone. And town beats here. And where I'm staying is just up here, my hostel is. So right guys, remember click that thumbs up, click that subscribe button, also click that notification bell, you'll be notified every time I update new YouTube videos. And happy Christmas Eve everyone, from Fuerteventura in the Canary Islands. I'm off back to the hostel now to get myself ready for the evening. Chill and have a little siesta ready for tonight. Bye for now everyone.